Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. This is Arvind from Merit Pros. Let's get started. Let's see about the Maven build cycle and Maven architecture. Okay, so always whenever there is a build tool available, so build tool is nothing but, as we saw in the previous session, we have a competitor for your Maven, which is a Gradle. So whenever we have a build tool, so basically what does a build tool will do? So basically when you see on a wider perspective, so Maven is nothing but it's going to build your project. So whatever the project we have created, it's going to build this particular project. So how it's going to build this particular project? So when you're going to build your project, it has like three activities that it is going to be performing. So let me show you what is the three activities. So basically go to clean, build and run. Simple. These are the three activities any build tool is going to be performed. It is not only with respect to Maven, any tool is going to be performed. So first thing is like clean, build, tree, run. Run, or sometimes people call it as a site. Okay, simple. So that is what we have it over here. So clean, it's used to clean your project, and default to handle compiling, test and deployment of the project, site to handle the documentation of the project. Each life cycle has different internal phases or stages. So an example of your clean is like pre-clean, clean and post-clean. So this happens internally, so externally you cannot see it out. So these are the different default options available inside your Maven. Obviously we are going to see it out, don't worry. So validate, compile, test, package, verify, install, deploy. So and these are the respective Maven commands for it. Okay, so now let us see like how does it do it up. Okay, let's see few commands, not all the commands. We are going to, on interest of time, we are going to see a few commands, but when you execute one command, the rest of the commands is going to be the same. So it's going to make your life much more easier. So what we are going to do it is like for the first thing, inside your pom.xml, we need to add a couple of stuffs which we seen in the previous session. So let me add that one as well in the pom.xml. So we have a build items available. Let me add it. Yeah. Okay, I'm saving it. So once you save it, our project, first thing is like we need to update it out, because since we added a build plugins and stuffs. So let's right click Maven, update the project, click on OK, and all your errors are gone. Perfect, looks fine for me. So what we are going to do it is like whenever you run it from your Maven, right? So don't worry, by default Eclipse gives you the option. So when you right click the POM, run as, you can see build, Maven build, clean, install, generate sources, test and stuff. So you don't need to worry about, you don't need to memorize it out if you're in your Eclipse. So for example, if I show you your Maven clean, just I clicked on the Maven clean, you can see it's building the process and it has been cleaned. Simple. Now if you want to run it out, so right click Maven, oops, sorry, run as Maven test. Simple. It's going to download all your dependencies. Okay, again there is some issue, let me figure it out. Okay, package does not exist. Okay, no problem, not an issue. Let's check it out. Okay, annotation doesn't exist out. Okay, not a problem, not a problem, not an issue. So just it needs from where it needs to be running, we need to mention it out. We can do that, don't worry. So for that, let me do some simple stuff. Okay, so you're going to put this particular configuration inside your reporting. That's it. So what does this will do, it is like it's going to be picking your test.ng XML from the root directory. Okay, simple as it is. Okay, but throwing an error. Let me check it out. Okay, let me again Maven update project. Okay, okay, seems to be fine. Okay, as I said, you whenever you add something inside your POM, just update your project. And now let's try to run it out. Maven. Yeah, it is running. Okay, as you can see. So we need to mention your test.ng XML inside your POM. So that's why, okay, first thing keep in your mind, whenever you have your test.ng XML, place it inside your project path so that it automatically detects and picks it out. So it should be inside your Maven Surefire plugin. Okay, so this is the default things and these are the commands. Now, so far we have seen, like, say, test a command, and then we have seen something called a cleaner command. The same thing follows your validate, compile, package, and all the stuffs. So these things we'll see it as part of your command line. But before going to the command line, let's see something called your architecture. So how does your Maven architecture works? So Maven architecture is quite simple. So as we have seen, this is the Maven central repository. So from your central repository, whatever you mention it inside your pom.xml, whatever you mention it inside your pom.xml, it is downloaded, or it will get downloaded inside your C users, your machine name Lenovo. My machine name is Lenovo. For you, it might be different. .m2 repository, it will be downloaded over here. So this is what the simple diagrams explain it to you. So your local repository is nothing but it's going to be your laptop or your desktop. Your remote repository is going to be something like, say, from your Maven MVN repository, like, say, Selenium WebDriver. If you take it and search it, so this is your remote repository. Whatever is available over here, like, say, 3.141.5, this is your remote repository. So from your remote repository, your Maven takes it out, put it inside your local, and then executes inside your Maven. So whatever the goals you have mentioned, depending on that, it executes. Goals is nothing but your validate, test, compile, package, install, deploy, all these are goals. You can mention it. So if you ask me, can I mention 2 or 3 goals? Yes, definitely you can mention 2 or 3 goals together, not an issue. Thank you for watching this video. Hope the covered topics will help you in your career development and growth. See you in our next video.